How to shop by category in Etsy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now I am in my home page. Basically, this is the place where you browse and find different products. Here on the bottom, you can find this shop icon. Simply tap on the shop icon and here you can easily find different categories to it. So this is the place where you can find and shop through different categories. Now you can browse through them and here select the one that you like or looking for. So here I am tapping on one. Now all the products related to the search will pop up here and you can easily start shopping. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.